Do these to instant relief for pinched nerve pain in neck and shoulder. Did you know that 89% of people suffering from neck and shoulder nerve pain are unknowingly doing movements throughout their day that compress the nerve even more? If you're experiencing sharp, shooting pain down your arm right now, today we're going to show you exactly which movements are making it worse. And more importantly, the 3 specific exercises that can decompress that nerve and give you relief faster than you ever thought possible. But first, let me ask you this. Have you noticed your pain gets worse when you do this one common movement? Welcome to Dr. Lab. If you're experiencing sharp shooting pain in your neck and shoulder, you might be dealing with a pinched nerve. This can be caused by a buildup of tension and tightness, which compresses the nerve roots and sends pain signals down your arm. The good news is that you can get relief with simple exercises you can do at home, without any special equipment. Each of these exercises works a little differently, so the best approach is to try them all to see which one works best for you. Some people even find relief in as little as 30 seconds. Last week, a patient came into my office, barely able to move her neck, with shooting pain so severe she hadn't slept in 3 days. After just one simple exercise that I'm about to show you, she looked at me in disbelief and said, "The pain is completely gone." Now, I know that sounds too good to be true, but what happened next will shock you even more. She called me the next morning to tell me something that changed how I treat pinched nerves forever. If you are enjoying the content I put out, please show some support by giving a thumbs up. If you want, hit the subscribe button below so you can be informed of future videos. Here's your quick anatomy lesson. When we're looking at someone from the side, a normal, healthy human being, let's get started. Exercise 1. Targeted self-massage and release. This first exercise helps to relax the tight muscles that may be compressing your nerves. It uses a combination of self-massage and gentle neck movements. Part A. Massage at the base of the skull. This exercise targets the common muscle tension that builds up at the back of your head and neck, which can lead to a pinched nerve. By gently massaging these areas, you can help release the tightness and reduce the pressure on your nerves. Start by interlocking your fingers and pointing your thumbs down. Place your hands on the back of your head so your thumbs are resting at the very base of your skull, right on either side of your spine. Gently press your thumbs into the soft, fleshy muscle tissue. It's important to avoid pressing on any bony areas of the spine. Begin with a light circular motion. Over a period of 5 to 10 seconds, slowly and gradually increase the pressure to a level that feels firm but comfortable. Never push into pain. As you massage, slowly move your thumbs from the center of your neck outward toward your ears. Pay close attention to any spots that feel particularly tight, knotted, or tender. These are the areas that need your focus. If you find a stubborn knot that doesn't seem to loosen with the circular motion, try a different technique. Hook your thumb over the spot, apply steady pressure, and pull your thumb toward your ear. You can also try moving your thumb up and down or diagonally across the knot. Feel free to experiment with different angles to find the motion that works best to release the tight muscle fibers. Once the area at the base of your skull feels more relaxed, move your hands down to the middle of your neck, and then to the base of your neck, and even to the top of your shoulders. Repeat the same massage process in each area, focusing on any spots that feel particularly tight until everything feels looser. Part B. Adding neck movements. Once you've loosened up the muscles with the static massage, you can get an even deeper release by combining the massage with gentle neck movements. This helps to target muscle fibers from different angles and can provide a new level of relief. Slowly and carefully turn your head to one side. Stop just before you feel any pain or significant discomfort. This new position will put the muscles on a stretch, making it easier to find and release tight spots. With your head held in this rotated position, use your thumbs to massage the same tight spots you found earlier. You'll likely discover that the muscles feel different, and you may find a new or more intense point of tension that needs your attention. Hold the massage for a few seconds, then slowly bring your head back to the center, and repeat the process on the other side. As you continue, you'll likely notice that with each repetition, you can turn your head a little bit further with less pain, which is a great sign that the muscles are loosening up. You can also incorporate side bending motions. With your nose pointing straight forward, gently tilt your head to bring your ear toward your shoulder. As you hold this position, focus on massaging the tight muscles on the top of your shoulder and the side of your neck. This combination of massage and movement is highly effective for breaking up deep muscle tension and improving your neck's range of motion. Exercise 2. Decompression traction. This exercise is designed to take pressure off a pinched nerve by creating space in your neck and gently decompressing the spine. Think of it as a gentle pulling motion that opens up the area around the compressed nerve. Begin by sitting or standing with your back straight. Place 2 fingers on your chin and gently press your head straight backward, as if you're trying to make a double chin. The goal is to align your ears directly over your shoulders. This movement activates the deep muscles in the front of your neck. Stop just before you feel any pain or discomfort. While holding your head in this tucked position, place your other hand on the back of your head. Now, gently push your head backward with that hand while simultaneously using your fingers on your chin to gently pull your chin forward toward your chest. This coordinated action creates a subtle pulling stretch in your neck. You should feel a light and gentle stretch starting at the base of your skull and extending down your neck. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. If the stretch feels good and provides relief, you can hold it for longer. After the hold, relax and then repeat the exercise 3 to 5 times. With each repetition, try to build into the stretch just a little bit more, but never push into pain. To make this exercise even more effective, you can try finding your specific relief position, a small adjustment that provides the most comfort and relief. Instead of keeping your nose pointed straight ahead, turn your head slightly to one side and then perform the chin tuck and traction. Try this with your head turned to the left and to the right. You may discover that a specific angle offers you more relief than the straight-on position. If you find this relief position, focus on doing more repetitions in that particular direction to get the maximum benefit. Exercise 3. Side bending decompression. This exercise is perfect if you find that gently tilting your head to the side provides relief. It works by stretching the upper trapezius muscle, which can become tight and compress the nerves in your neck. To avoid aggravating the nerve, always tilt away from the side of your pain. For example, if your pain is on the right side of your neck and shoulder, you will only bend to the left. If your pain is on your right side, bend your right elbow to a 90-degree angle and slide your right arm across your lower back. This simple action helps pull your shoulder blade down, which creates more space in your neck for the nerves. With your arm in place, use your opposite hand, your left hand in this example, to gently cup the side of your head. Slowly and gently pull your left ear toward your left shoulder. You should feel a deep stretch along the right side of your neck and into the top of your right shoulder. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. As you hold it, focus on breathing slowly and deeply. This helps the muscles relax and allows for a more effective stretch. Remember, only stretch to a point of deep comfort. Never push into pain. Slowly release the stretch. Relax for a moment and then repeat the exercise 3 to 5 times. You should notice that with each repetition, you can stretch a little further without pain, indicating that the muscles are loosening up and providing relief. If the basic side bending stretch feels good and you want to increase the intensity for even greater relief, you can add a simple head rotation. First, get back into the side bending stretch as described in the previous section. Make sure you are comfortably positioned with your arm behind your back and your head tilted away from the painful side. While holding this position, slowly and carefully turn your chin upward toward the ceiling. This small movement will intensify the stretch along the side of your neck and into your shoulder. Pay close attention to how this new position feels. If it provides more relief than the original stretch, this is a great sign that you've found a more effective angle for your particular nerve issue. If this is the case, make a mental note of this relief position and perform more repetitions in this specific way to get the maximum benefit. Exercise 4. Nerve gliding. Nerve gliding, also known as nerve flossing, is an excellent technique for a pinched nerve. It helps to gently mobilize the nerves, breaking up any tightness or adhesions that might be compressing them. Here's how to perform this exercise. Stand or sit with a straight back. Extend both arms straight out to your sides at shoulder height with your palms facing the floor. This exercise involves a slow, two-part motion of your head and hands. Slowly rotate one hand so your palm turns upward toward the ceiling. At the same time, gently turn your head to look toward your other hand, the one with its palm still facing the floor. Hold this position for just a second or two, feeling a gentle stretch without any pain. Then, in a slow and fluid motion, switch sides. Rotate the other hand to face the ceiling while turning your head to look at the opposite hand. Rhythm and repetition. Continue this smooth back and forth movement for 15 repetitions in each direction. With each repetition, try to build into the stretch just a little bit more, but always stop before you feel any discomfort. You can perform this exercise multiple times throughout the day to keep your nerves moving freely and help reduce pressure. If these exercises help you, please consider supporting the channel by giving this video a like and subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.